now we're walking the foundry and seeing what's going on. Some of the big equipment. Disca. This is a mold. So they pour the iron in there.
And it remains the best and most practical way to cast iron cookware. Our foundry technician checks to make sure the sand molds meet our specifications.
Sand mold.
Up on the second floor is where we work.
Schematic. We've got a reference guide for breakage, misruns and short pours, blowouts. Yeah, that's what happens when my wife washes them in the dish in the sink. Yeah, no wonder that one's in the damaged pile. It's got a big Tennessee logo on it. Alabama, come on now. But we're right close to both of them, so I guess that's okay. There's the pour. Some of the big, look at all that. Way up there. It's third story. Stop, ladle crossing. That's where the hot stuff is, right? Coming from way down yonder. This is the melting area. Ooh. That's one of the melters right there that they pour in. They've got the little video playing. Where they take the recycled pieces and put them in there to get melted back down. And then here's like the pig iron and the scrap iron. And then there's the sand to make the molds.
This employee is sorting the items in the sand mold during the casting process. Once everything is sorted, the cookware moves on to the casting
Okay.
the sheet off the conveyor goes over the recycling. Rotating trowel.
The sand is already falling out the end.
Yeah.
We back up in.
The iron media is specifically engineered to break up the sand and scrub it for the casting surface.
Kind of fall through. Yeah, this just kind of goes. Sometimes, you know, this gets through the system, but it has to be melted.
Blasting, cleaning technologies, abrasives. Heading to the finishing area. So then there's where the hangers are. They go on the conveyor. Right there. They get picked up. Ride the conveyor. And they go up into the seasoning area. Let's see what this says.
Story of was baked at a high temperature.
Sorry, talking about spraying them with vegetable oil and then they go into the oven to bake.
This creates a natural, easy release.
So like here's some of the ovens that they're baking them in. See the racks hanging in there. So they get sprayed with vegetable oil, then they go through the ovens. They do that with 2 or 3 times. 2 times and on up. So we walk, it comes in here and goes into like the packaging area. All the different size skillets and pans go to different stations. So like this is the 12s, on down the 3.5s, where they get labeled, stacked with the lodge paper. Nice. And then boxed. And then once boxed, go through the tape machine, from the tape machine to the pallet. Oh, so in case you didn't know, Lodge makes pampered chef. That's their skillet right there.
All of these skillets have made it through the winter, and they're almost ready for your
Dutch oven.
Please give them a final quality inspection before packing.
Here's the big dude. So this one's the Dutton Yellowstone. I think this is a 20 inch. Here's where they get boxed. And crates of cast iron skillets right there. Of course, you know they got to have a trash compactor. Cardboard compactor right there. There's like the label rack and stuff like that for all the different skillets and stuff. Nice. This is all the Yellowstone. So this is the Yellowstone rack for labels. There's a grill topper. Just a bunch of labels. Nice. And here's another packing sorting area. So you see the skillets coming down, and they pull off whichever one goes to that section, and then it goes on. And those must be the rejects that don't make the first pass or second pass. And then they come on down, label, stacked, and on. Nice. So then here's more. Can't tell what these are. It doesn't really say. It just says what they are for their code. I mean, that's the combo cooker lid. So I don't know if this is second pass or just like they didn't end on a full pallet, and this is the leftovers. There's another one of the sprayers. Comes down into here, goes in for the enamel. I don't know. I've been in a factory, mainly a factory life all my working life, so this is kind of cool. I kind of digging it, and you know, the whole process, and you can respect all the people working here. I listened to one guy who was doing the tour in the museum, and he was saying that they go in shifts, where if you're on grinding for 2 hours, you go to break, you come back, then you're on a different station for the next 2 hours, then you're on a different station 2 hours after that. So you don't do the same job every day or every minute of the day. So that's pretty cool. I can respect that. Place is packed. Cornbread salad. I don't know anything about it. We're going to find somebody and get a look, because that sounds good. All kinds of stuff up in here. Fresh lemonade. Churchville neighborhood. Be in line a while. So here's Cornbread Alley, going backwards just because I'm in line. Bless you. Bless you. Southern Hush Puppies. Tropical Breeze. This one sounds interesting. Tuscan Tomato Parmesan. Then we're at AV Island Hush Puppies. We got Dressed Up Cornbread. So there's the golden skillet. She's with the Dressed Up Cornbread. Looks like she was the winner last year. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. And there's a strawberry drizzle cornbread. We've got a kicking southwestern cornbread. Then we got a bacon ranch. A couple might like that one. got a jalapeno pimento cheese cornbread. What do we got here?
Jalapeno pimento cheese cornbread.
Ooh, jalapeno pimento cheese.
Bacon ranch. Well, if I could pick it up. And then bacon ranch.
Sure.
There you go. And then ranch sauce.
Sure, right there.
There we go.
Nice, thank you.
You bet.
What do we got here?
Chicken Southwestern.
Chicken Southwest. Kicking. All right, all right. Thank you, thank you. All right, what we got here?
We got strawberry drizzle here.
Strawberry
That's
drizzle.
apart, and I turned it upside down.
All right.
Here, yeah, that one fell apart.
Okay.
So was that one.
Oh, little large strawberries.
Y'all enjoy it, guys.
What you got here?
We got dress it up cornbread.
Dress it up.
With a little cranberry drizzle sauce on there.
Okay, okay.
Thanksgiving in your mouth.
Okay. Is this what you won last year?
Yeah, yeah.
Woo!
22 and 23, back to back.
Nice.
So 24, I need to win.
All right, all
I
right.
need your help. Both now.
Okay, okay. All right, what we got here?
Avery Island hush puppies.
Avery Island Hush Puppies. Oh. Now what we got here?
Tuscan tomato parmesan.
Ooh, Tuscan tomato parmesan. Oh, there's the recipes. Ooh, all right, so what we got here?
Tropical breeze. And that's
Oh.
pineapple sauce squid on top.
Okay, okay. Pineapple sauce on top, huh? All right.
Ran, you need the extra.
Yeah. Wow. And what do we got here?
Hush puppies.
Hush puppies.
You might need two to try and help.
Thank you. Wow, what a spread. And here's like all the recipes. That's cool. All right. Y'all don't want to see me eat, but I'm gonna dig in and I'll let you know what I think. All right, so my thoughts were they were all pretty decent in their own right. My favorite ones were probably the strawberry drizzle and the Tuscan one. The Tuscan one was real savory, really good. I could see it as accompaniment with some chicken, but yeah, that was pretty good. Okay, so real quick, because my phone's about to die, got the 5K run shirt. There was my number. I finished at like 53:48. I got some boiled peanuts, Cajun style. Got the 2024 Cornbread Festival skillet, awesome. The Lodge Cast Iron Museum skillet, it's got a nice hammer finish and the 3-notch. No, yeah. And then the South Pittsburgh, Tennessee one. In the seconds bin, I got a 12-inch lid for lidless, because I have a Dutch oven at home with no lid, so lidless got a new lid. Picked this up for Cub. It's the Dolly Parton guitar skillet. They gave me a sticker, really cool. They had they also gave me Lodge cast iron sunglasses, so pretty sweet. They had a spin the wheel and you got a prize, and I got the towel, which is what I wanted, and the wife got the trivet, which is really cool. Picked up a basting brush and it says Lodge on it, so yeah, kind of cool. Here's the recipes for all the cornbread that was in Cornbread Alley. Got a cool little Lodge sticker there. The 8SK. These were funny, I laughed. The National Cornbread Festival and their socks. They're just pans, cornbread. And then I did pick this up for like $5, and it's all the winning recipes for cornbread from 97 to 2016. So yeah, with that plus that, we should have plenty of recipes. All right, so on the way out, I stopped at that cornbread salad thing, and I popped up and I said, hey, what is that? And they were telling me, and I was like, okay. And I mean, the guy behind me was like, it's amazing, you gotta try it. So let's give it a whirl. This is what it looks like. Tomatoes, peppers, onions, bacon. We're gonna try it out. Tomatoes, peppers, onions, bacon, and some sort of mayonnaise dressing. Okay. So first, the mayonnaise dressing reminds me of the broccoli cauliflower salad or broccoli salad you get from Sam's Club, but it's thin, and instead of broccoli and cauliflower, you've got cornbread, which is kind of off-putting. The peppers and give a nice crunch. Tomatoes. The bacon. Yeah. Mama was not a fan. I think it takes a minute to get used to it. I don't know. I'm not over the moon with it, but I don't hate it either. Almost forgot I got a little button in the National Cornbread Festival, and then a pin. Yeah, nice, huh?